Alright, now we're on Country Road 5, which the Eastern Divide hits this road. We got 4.4 to connect to it. So we're almost back to the route. But we're in a valley, so we're gonna be climbing for these next 4 miles. And it gets, according to my elevation thing, it gets up to around 9%. It usually stays around 3 to 7. So it's gonna be a little steep. That is a big hill we're getting ready to go up. Holy shit. Cars are flying on this road too. Road. Still have to pedal hard as crap to go 10 miles an hour. It's crazy.